Want to know how to optimize rainbow units in any team in Dragon Ball Z Dokkan Battle? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you how, and I'm going to give you some tips on how you can do it. So rainbow units are pretty flexible, but optimizing them takes some planning. First, always check the leader skill and category bonuses. Pair them with units that share link skills for extra attack or KI boosts. Hidden potential paths matter too. Unlocking critical additional attacks or defense nodes increases efficiency. Position them in your team to cover weaknesses like type disadvantage or low HP units. Remember, rainbow units shine because of versatility. They can fit into multiple teams, run rotations carefully, and prioritize links that boost overall performance. With proper placement, real rainbow units will consistently deal high damage and survive tough events. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.